Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Center. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 6. Scenarios for practice. Shopping. A customer buying groceries from a shopkeeper. Example, how much does this cost? / can I get a discount? Complete above scenario. Answer, scenario, shopping, a customer buying groceries. Characters, customer and shopkeeper. Conversation. Customer, good morning. Shopkeeper, good morning. How can I help you? Customer, I need some vegetables and fruits. Shopkeeper, sure, what would you like? Customer, please give me 1 kilogram of tomatoes, 2 kilograms of potatoes, and half a kg of onions. Shopkeeper, all right. Here are your vegetables. Anything else? Customer, yes, I also need a dozen bananas and 1 kilogram of apples. Shopkeeper, here you go. That will be 300 Indian rupees for everything. Customer, 300 Indian rupees seems a bit expensive. Can I get a discount? Shopkeeper, alright, I will give you a 10% discount. That will be 270 Indian rupees. Customer, thank you. Here is the money. Shopkeeper, thank you. Have a nice day. Customer, you too. The simple conversation helps students practice polite requests, bargaining, and daily shopping interactions. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Center. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.